So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a catless downpipe on your Mark 6 GTI for free, pretty much. If you have tools, and you don't have to buy or spend if you don't have money on a on like an aftermarket downpipe. This could work for all other models as well, but it just depends on where the cat's located. Like here, cat's in a pretty nice spot where it's easy to be reached. This one is a little harder, but all you got to do is just get a bit like this if you have one, and you can just drill straight through the cat, or if you have like a hole saw, you can also use that and just drill a few holes, and then you'll be able to just pry it out. And this one is really easy to do. It's not hard at all. But this one is the one that's a little harder to get to because it's all this pipe right here. But you can just get a big ass extension like I have right here. And what I did was I just got a socket and just put it on like that, and just got a gun and just drilled a few holes. I couldn't really get all of it out. I'm still gonna work on it a little bit more, but I'm gonna try to get all of it out. And then I went with the hole saw in there too. Just got a 11 mil socket, attach it to it, and just try to drill a few holes through it. But it's pretty good right now, but there's still a lot of cat still left in there, so I'm gonna try to knock it out somehow. But yeah, still gonna work on it. This is what was in there. It's like this type of stuff or whatever, and there's like this insulation that was in there too. This is the primary cat, or the first cat. Yeah, so yeah, it's like ceramic or some shit like that. But yeah, this is pretty much if you don't want to buy a downpipe or want to save some money, or you're pretty broke, so you could just do this and you'll save yourself money. And the metal is way better quality than, say, if you get a Chinese downpipe or something like that that's gonna rust and stuff. This will last longer, but this is the shitty part, that you can't really get a good, like, you can't get all of it out. I mean, you could cut this out, this piece, like a little piece like this, and just you know, take it out, but then you have to weld it back up, and it's not gonna be that clean. But you could do that as well. I've seen that done before. Or you can try and knock all of it out. That's what I'm going to try to do, and hopefully that'll work. But I thought I'd just upload this little tip for y'all. But now you can build more boost, and pretty much don't have to get a downpipe. And I'm pretty sure this thickness should still work. It's like 2.5 inch. I mean, an aftermarket, or this is 2 inch, I believe. An aftermarket one is like, what, 3 inch, and I think this still will be fine for like a tune, like a stage 2 or something. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And you can do this to different cars too, but I just don't know on different cars how easy it is to get to the cats. These are still pretty easy, considering it's pretty straight here, no curves really. I mean, there's a small curve right in there, I don't know if you can see, but which makes it kind of wants to only go and hit this side of the cat right here, that wants to drill. But this side is still kind of like all full. But this side was super easy. It was awesome that they made the cat so close to it. So pretty much could go stage 2 and have a free downpipe on your GTI. So yeah.